Good afternoon. Today I'm going to present you my final assignment of Trends and Innovation, which I chose automotive industry, providing the big data management. At this very technological era, the automotive industry is facing continuous set of dynamic challenges. However, the power of technology and innovation present the best opportunity to develop and gain competitive advantage which remains unwatched to the others. One of the opportunities which will assist in developing the competitive advantage is technology of big data management and analytics. This is a need of exceptional competitive advantage due to increased competition, shifting market conditions, globalization, cost pressure, and volatility resulting to the change in the market pace and segmentation. The rate of technological advances is growing at a very high rate, transforming how businesses conduct out their activities. The automotive industry not an exception, has been innovative of self-driving and autonomous cars. Ownership, challenging and developing of user simulation models. This compels the automotive industry to remain on the brink of transformation and revolution. Within also in the autonomous vehicles of the future, there in the automobile industry, there's also the manufacturer value chain. Due to increased competition by business firms, economics and other business experts are enjoying the advantage of data science techniques such as machine learning to create a competitive advantage by getting the correct information for sound decision making. Data analysis is widely applied in different fields such as market research. Statistics and machine learning is very beneficial to business firms because it enables marketers to understand the customers well and build a good customer relationship. With the increased technological advances of the computers, voluminous databases, and the internet, it's very easy to mine large amounts of data. By using the appropriate data science methods, it is possible to analyze collected data and recognize the correlation and patterns, hence, invent solutions to certain problems arising from the customers. In the recommendation engine, commonly known as a recommender system, is a developed program application that allows software mainly developed to evaluate, assess, and analyze given sets of available data, then generate insight, suggestion, and recommendation for any item or a service the user of the website is interested in. In a software context, an engine is a special purpose application or a program that is programmed to execute a certain task by help of variable algorithms. A search engine is a perfect example of recommendation engine because its task is responding to search queries within the page results. Directly search queries within the page result is the search engine best insight for websites that solve the customer's queries on the criteria of search term incorporated with other data such as trending issues and location. Furthermore, in the chain management, there are two, um, two aspects in the global aspect and the internal aspect. The global aspect, the application of big data analytics and management within the manufacturer value chain leads to exponential benefits to the prospective companies. The big data tools are so powerful. However, the application of big data analytics and management in the global supply chain needs knowledge exceeding the normal information technology, statistics, and data analysis. There is need to integrate big data analysis with other sets of capability in the public organization. Some of the vital functionalities include data quality and governance. As well, in the internal supply chain improvement, by the help of big data management, analytic automobile manufacturers can be able to compare the reliability, cost, and quality of their automobiles, components, and products of the concerned machinery. Car producing and manufacturing companies can rely on big data management and analytics for the projecting and predicting the supply and demand, thus assist in streamlining the process of procurement to make it cost effective. Big data operation internal supply chain can be applied to sales transaction, workforce analytics, customers and competitor analysis, marketing mix and pricing. As well, in the customers in data management can also help the customers in retail. The modeling and manufacturing process departments are widely using big data management and analysis in their daily activities. Data concerns with driving experiences, customer segments, repair analysis, assistant designers, modeling expert to improve vehicles' performance on aspects such as safety, battery power, engine efficiency, and fuel consumption. Efficiency uh, can improve all in certain things of regional retailing and tailoring cars according to lifestyle, such as stated before. It can improve vehicle performance in battery power, safety, engine efficiency, and fuel consumption. As well, going back to the previous slide, in customer and retail, it can help marketing experts and use the above certain customer data set to identify satisfaction level of other customers. Through data analysis, automobile companies are capable of doing regional retailing. Regional retailing entails generating and presenting a complete digitalized product spraying experience after analyzing the existing customers' behavior and dealers. The customer purchasing behavior can also be categorized and analyzed in form of lifestyle convenience. After understanding the lifestyle needs of the customers, then the company should offer cars tailoring according to the lifestyle. Notably, the automobile industry can use big data management analytics in boosting the computer's customer experience to retain them. Big data analytics should also help the automobile industries in producing the desired knowledge of attracting new customers as well as knowing the potential value of the diverse market segments. Furthermore, in data management, you can use it as the statistical data analysis. Statistical data analysis techniques such as programmed algorithm can be used on the customer statistical recorded patterns and financial data set to track patterns, but only with independently linked variables. While using association rule discover, it's advisable to select specific events with attributes with high correlation. For example, one might notice that when company increases prices on its new vehicles, they either make a profit or loss, and if they often retain or lose their customers, this is what is used to identify an insight such as people also purchased in sectors of online stores. This information is mostly appropriate in developing the recommender system in different areas of practice. Machine learning and data science has been widely used in data analysis to determine the level of company's performance. For instance, when evaluating the collected data on purchaser performance information, one is able to categorize them as high, medium, or low risk buyers on clients. These categories can be used to understand the level of customer satisfaction and remodel the car's feature and capability to suit the need of the customers. This is a general depiction of vehicles customer data on purchasing behavior according to age. As you can see in the age of 26 to 35, there are more buyers in number of purchases inside the automobile industry. So you can aim into this type of segment. Furthermore, use of optimization and simulation data analysis. Within the automobile financing, the automobile businesses are used big data management and analysis concerned with customers' performances and financial history to easily reach decision of financing of their products and businesses. Business analytics in collaboration with data scientists integrate the financial data with appropriate geographic and demographics. In so doing, they are able to generate effective and accurate financial schemes in respect to the customer's requirements. However, it is very advisable to choose a big data service from well recognized and certified big data services providers. Automobile industry should choose big data services from big data service providers with great expertise in automotive industries. As well, connected car services. Modern vehicles are integrated with smart technologies such as advanced processors, Wi Fi connectivity, and onboard computer tools. The internet connectivity has been providing drivers with autonomous data concerning safety and driving experience. The internet connectivity also allows drivers to access data on vehicles' health record and fuel efficiency. It is projected that in the near future, approximately 90% of the newly developed and manufactured cars will possess connectivity capability to increase the application of big data analytics concerning car services and the automobile processing and manufacture sector. Scientific research and studies concerning big data reveals out that car services will account for nearly $40 billion in each financial year in 2030. Thorough big data analysis and management automobile services like fleet management, traffic monitoring, navigation, and autonomous driving can be highly transformed for improving of the automobile industry. Finally, the challenges arising from the autonomous industry are as expected. The privacy matters. Firstly, the privacy matters. After analyzing data mining activities through the legal lenses, we should be convinced beyond doubt that it's not ethical to share information which violates the privacy of players in certain sports. Some of the private information which I think needs consent from respective customers before sending is like age and health status. There are certain circumstances which should be treated as off limits because they are so sensitive to the customers. As well, data security problems. Cybersecurity attacks have lately increased to the extent that they are now one of the leading and most dangerous threats to financial stability of institutions within different industries. Reputation and data security, which is very vital to industry security. The problem is that the attackers are becoming more tech savvy of late and require no one to click on links so that they can infect on the system. For instance, banking trojans, malicious programs, and many other kind of internet born are very involving jeopardies that keep insulting the automotive industry. Furthermore, the enterprise risk management and continuity plan. The enterprise risk management helps companies to achieve their goals and objectives after they embedded the enterprise risk management in their strategic planning process. The enterprise risk management should be assigned a great role during budgeting processes in order to avoid threats and risks within the organization. The company should integrate compliance in all its activities and always conduct internal audits. A good risk management system maintains the security of customers' information and data from malicious attackers or alternation by defrauders. In conclusion, big data management allows the integration and management of data obtained and generated from the major key players in the automotive industry, such as stakeholders, software providers, automakers, customers, sensors, and company artificial intelligence. Big data management and analytics allows the integration and merging of data regardless of data format of structure. Unstructured data includes files such as sound, videos, text, and recording. Big data management is handled by special types of data warehouses such as which allows the processing of both unstructured and structured data. Big data analytics and management also help in global supply chain management and predictable analysis, such as my presentation. Thank you very much, and I hope you like the presentation. Have a great day. Goodbye.